Thank you very much to our American customers for choosing our EA1000C6 rental LED display. You can really see the quality in every detail, from the stainless steel locks and screws, to the aluminum alloy handles, corner protectors, and precision-made positioning beads. The cabinet itself is built from strong die-cast aluminum, making it extra sturdy and long-lasting. EA1000C6 rental LED display wall has the flexibility of arc installation. You can choose inner arc installation or outer arc installation to meet different scenes and needs, and you can also splice with 500C6 cabinet to form more shapes. EA1000C6 rental LED video wall is widely used in various scenarios, including stage events, exhibitions, business meetings, etc. Its flexibility and easy installation make it an ideal choice for temporary events and long-term use. We truly appreciate your trust, and we're excited about working together again in the future. We'll keep striving to offer even better service and top-notch LED display products.